In this video, we're going to go from this, yuck, to this. Okay, so on this Mustang I purchased, there were a few little things that I wanted to get taken care of. The visor clip, the map light, this console lid's busted, and the seatbelt cover. I kind of planned on doing that all in one video originally, but now I'm going to just split it up. So here I will take care of the console lid. I originally just purchased the lid without realizing I needed all these latch components. And so I kind of had to pause it after I took it apart and order the latch components and then reinstalled it. Okay, here's how the latch assembly goes on. This goes up like this. This clips on right here. The spring that did not come with it, I had to purchase that separately. And in fact, I couldn't even get that from a restoration place. I had to actually order that off of eBay. And then this piece right here goes on like so. And then screw it down to the lid. And it takes one of the non-shoulder type screws. Don't go too tight with it. There we go. Snug it up, but it's not a whole lot of stuff in there to screw into. It's not like it's steel or anything. Then next, screw the hinge on. Mine looks like it might be a little bent. And that does use the shoulder type screws. Alright, on mine, and there we go, it's fixed. On mine, I gotta push down on it just a little bit. I suspect after these get worn down some that it'll be a little easier to latch. There we go, now I've got a latched, nice looking console lid. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. There we go. I'm gonna do that one later.